Have you ever asked yourself why some people become so successful? When I was starting out in this online business journey, I always look up to those successful entrepreneurs and ask myself, how can I be like them? I always thought they were doing some crazy stuff that got them to that level. I thought for someone like me, it won't be possible. But fast forward to today, the story has changed. I have been an online entrepreneur for more than 5 years now and have not looked back. In this video, I'm going to share with you top 5 secret successful business owners won't tell you. Let's go. Number 1 is you will never be 100% ready. The problem with some people is that they want to wait until when they are 100% ready before they make a move, which is a very bad idea. Immediately my friend told me about Udemy, I immediately jumped on the platform. I didn't even know anything about Udemy. All I did was just create an account, upload my course, and I started studying the platform. If I was to wait to study everything or to know everything before I jumped on Udemy, I'm very sure I won't be where I am today. When my friend told me to jump on Udemy, that it would be a good platform for me, the next day I went ahead and created an account to upload my course. It was when I was on Udemy that I started studying the platform to know how I can rank top, how I can be successful with the platform. So the truth is, you will never be 100% ready. Successful people commit first and figure out the rest along the way. Will you keep saying one day, or is today going to be your day one? Another secret to business success is getting a mentor. Find someone who has already achieved what you want to do and learn from them. Successful business owners know the value of having a mentor. A mentor provides guidance, support, and insight that you might not get on your own. When I wanted to learn copywriting, I paid someone to learn, and today I am very good at writing sales copies. My bank account speaks for me on that. And I am also happy that with my mentorship, I have been able to help other course creators get started with Udemy and become successful on the platform. That is the power of mentorship. Don't be staging with your success. Success comes with a price. You will remain the same way you are except for the people you meet or the course you go through. Your success won't exceed your habit. This means that your daily routines and habits directly influence your business success. For example, if you dedicate just 1 hour each day to learning and improving a key skill, over a year, that is 365 hours of focused development. Many successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Bill Gates are known for their disciplined routines that prioritize learning, productivity, and habits. Your daily routine and habit directly influence your business success. The fourth secret to business success is a bit ironic given our video title. There is no secret. What I mean by this is that there are no magic formulas or hidden tactics that will guarantee success. The so-called secrets are often just fundamentals done consistently over time. So don't get caught up searching for shortcuts. Focus on mastering the basics and applying them consistently. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about delayed gratification. Successful business owners understand the power of patient and long-term thinking. So my advice is this: don't spend your first few $1,000s. Keep your head down, reinvest your profit, and stay focused, and your business will skyrocket. I personally spend some of my profits to run social media ads, and that is what you should be doing if you run an online business, even an offline business. Building a successful business often means making sacrifice now for greater rewards in the future. Stay focused on your long-term goals and be willing to forego short-term pleasures. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And let me know in the comments which of these secrets resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.